as you are taking care of this whole house and supervising it, so how did you make every student feel participated, motivated, and included them in this performance?
I'm very grateful for my students that they have always been there for whatever I needed, and I always make sure that we do something new, because when we do something new, it always gives us a sort of motivation that we are going to do something new and challenging.
Our first challenge was to collect everybody and gather everybody and reach the venue on time. So that was my biggest challenge here. But then how did I overcome it? I was the first one to reach. I wanted everyone to reach on time, so I also ensured that I should be the first one to reach. So that way my children also felt that when ma'am reaches, sir reaches, we also have to reach the venue on time.
So being a house teacher, it's quite impressive that we know which student is better in vocals and who is better in instrument. So all students, they are cooperating very well and they are singing very well, and we hope we won the competition.
What message would you like to give about the Independence Day and about how we should celebrate it?
So the message what I want to give to the students is, as we all know, there's a proverb that united we stand, divided we fall. So with this dance performance, we just want to say this proverb. And since our school is very famous for combined work, teamwork, so this dance generally shows you for the combination, for the teamwork they have done.
तो जिस तरीके से JBA में हम इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, तो हम ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ सबका फोक लाते हैं. उसके पीछे रीजन यही है, एक तो यूनाइट होने की भावना, सबकी इम्पोर्टेंस को समझना और साथ ही साथ हर बच्चे को मौका देना.
How do these performances help the student to maintain the spirit of Independence Day?
First of all, they are doing the folk dance of different states. So this shows the cultural diversity. They get to know, and of course, we always go for the states where people don't know about much. So we are going for the northeastern states. We know the problems in northeastern. So children, they get to know about those states.
We are feeling nervous because there is a lot of competition between the houses, so we are feeling nervousness a little bit. I am feeling confident and nervous both.
Excited because it's the last time performing in the stage.
A little nervous because we are having difficult stunts and lyrics are very difficult. I am a bit nervous and excited both because we are nervous. There is much competition between houses, and excited because there will be much public and we will be performing.
The most challenging part during the practice?
So first of all, it was to get together of all the instruments, because many performances are going on simultaneously. So we had to make them and keep it all safe, and also maintaining the coordination.
We got to interact with juniors, and we also got to know their talents, what they like and what they are supposed to do.
This Independence Day is one of the most important day for our nation, and as we are not mostly we can do anything for the nation, but performing this song for our nation is one of the most valuable thing which we can do on this precious day for our nation.